my sweet friends, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a craft together, so let's get started. Okay my sweet friends, so what we're going to do today is a craft together, but my niece has some jeans that she wants to try to do some patches on, and they already have rips in them, so I'm going to show you right there. And we are going to use the bandanas, and we're going to use fabric glue, and we're going to do some patchwork and see how it turns out. So let's get started. Okay, so what I've done so far is with the holes, I turned the jeans inside out, and then we have the pattern from the material here. We just cut out roughly what we need to cover the holes, and then you have the right way and the wrong way. You want the right way to lay down against the jeans. So we have that hole, this hole, and then this long one, and we're going to do half and half here, and we've already cut the material and got it ready. So I have fabric glue, and this is just from Walmart right here. This is what it looks like. Just I'll hold it up closer for you. So we just got it from Walmart, fabric glue.
It's really blurry.
It's okay. We will take a picture of it and put it at the end of the video. So all we're going to do is flip this back. We're going to take some fabric glue and make a bead of fabric glue all the way down like a square. And then we're going to lay the fabric down, and then we will put down the fabric and let it dry. And so with this fabric glue, it says that it takes 24 hours to dry. So we're going to just run a bead down the pants and go across as a square. Just like that. We got a string, we're going to cut it off. There we go. And now, just make sure we have enough glue there. We're just going to push it down onto the pants and put it where you want the pattern to be. Just like that. And then we're going to do the other side. And then the next time you will see these pants is when they're dry. Simple, easy. That's all we're going to do is put down the fabric. Just the bandana material. Okay, so the pants are now dry, and you can see the patches through the holes. And just going to back up a little bit so you can see all of the patches. It turned out, it is a little stiff right now. She is going to have to wash them and then dry them and then put them back on, but at least they're dry now. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you on the next video. Bye everyone!